Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify with your friends. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Spotify app here, and I'm just going to tap on your library at the bottom right. And then at the very top I'm going to tap that plus icon to create a new playlist. And I'm just going to rename this Fun with Friends, and then hit create. Now I've created this playlist. I can add different songs to it. Say I'm going to add a few of these recommended songs to this playlist. If I want to create this playlist with friends, say for a road trip or a party or something, kind of get together with a friend, all I have to do is tap the little person with the plus icon right there. And it says, invite collaborators, a link expires in 7 days. And all you have to do is choose one of these various options to send this link to the other person. So you can choose copy the link, or you can choose messages, Snapchat, stories, WhatsApp, Messenger, any of those different options to send a link to the person. And as long as they have a Spotify account, and they'll open it in their Spotify account, they'll be added as a collaborator to your playlist. So then on here, you'll be able to see songs that you've created and added onto this playlist, and then songs that your friends have added into this playlist as well. So you'll both be able to collaborate, or a bunch of you can collaborate on creating an awesome playlist together. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.